Hello and welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. Unbox with me and let's see what's inside this crochet kit. Today I'm sharing this cute little Yummy Friends kit that comes with everything you need to make a turtle of your own. I was totally impressed with how easy the box was to open. No scissors required, there's no tape, no plastic, very organized. Inside the kit they've included all of the yarn you'll need. They also have included a crochet hook, felt sheets, a glue tube, stuffing for the animal, plastic eyes, a foldable scissor, and also a plastic pouch that you can use to put all of this in. There's also an instruction card included, and I love that this kit has yarn that is really soft and the scissors is foldable and sharp. Everything fits into this plastic case, which is so cool. You can carry it with you wherever you need to go, and it has a nice ruler on the side to see all the measurements as well. You need to just simply scan the instruction code. Very easy. It pulls up a website with all of the instructions. The pattern is very simple to follow. You just crochet along with it and you end up with this beautiful looking little turtle. I love how easy this kit was to use. You can buy it for yourself or it will make a great gift for someone in your family. In the description box below, I'll leave links to where you can purchase this kit. Happy crafting, friends!